In this video, we still explore how timeless this home project meets modern living, featuring symmetrical layouts, elegant details, soft color palettes, and thoughtful updates that enhance comfort without losing historic charm. Casa Grande Studio's approach to federal revival home projects emphasizes a careful balance between historical authenticity and contemporary comfort. This means they meticulously preserve and restore the distinctive characteristics of the federal style, which emerged in the United States from approximately 1780 to 1820, following the American Revolution. This architectural period reflects a neoclassical influence, inspired by classical Roman and Greek designs, emphasizing symmetry, proportion, and refined elegance. Inside, the focus remains on symmetry and refined details. Federal revival homes typically feature a central hall floor plan, with rooms arranged symmetrically. Casa Grande Studio would likely work to preserve or recreate architectural elements, such as delicate moldings, intricate plaster ceiling medallions, and ornate fireplaces. Unlike the more elaborate Georgian style, federal interiors are known for their understated decoration, with an emphasis on geometric patterns like circles, ovals, and fan shapes, which might be incorporated into millwork, wallpapers, or fabrics. For color palettes, Casa Grande Studio would lean towards the federal style's preference for light and airy hues, including soft shades of white, cream, and pastels like pale greens, yellows, and blues. This choice helps to maximize natural light and create a bright, welcoming atmosphere. However, recognizing that these are modern homes, Casa Grande Studio seamlessly integrates updated amenities and contemporary living needs. This might involve reconfiguring interior layouts for better flow while respecting the original footprint, upgrading kitchens and bathrooms with modern functionality, and ensuring comfortable and efficient heating, cooling, and lighting systems. The challenge lies in making these updates feel integrated and natural, rather than jarring, ensuring that the new elements enhance, rather than detract from, the historic charm. Their design philosophy for Federal Revival homes often involves layering in unique and personalized elements. This could include selecting modern or antique furnishings that complement the classic lines of the Federal style, incorporating striking lighting fixtures that add a contemporary edge, and introducing curated art and decor that tell a personal story. The aim is to create spaces that feel both deeply rooted in history and vibrantly alive for today's homeowners, ensuring the elegance and heritage of the Federal Revival style are honored and celebrated. They are known for their ability to bring a sense of optimism and a personal touch to every surface, ensuring a joyful client experience.